feel like this. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video, and I want to show y'all how I made this super cute top, y'all. Like, I wanted to do this wet look top for so long, but I just got to it. So let's hop right into the video. So the good thing about this, you can use like any kind of fabric. I think this fabric was like $8 at Hobby Lobby. It was just something that I had picked up, you know, some real quick, and I had already had like some resin that I had used to make like a champagne glass for my aunt's wedding. So I just used some of that, and I knew I wasn't going to have enough, but I just wanted to play with it. Like, I didn't want to use like an expensive fabric or, you know, something like that for, you know, to practice. So I just played in it, and I ended up going to the store to get some more. And it's like $30, and you might need like a half of each bottle. So just be sure to you know, just expect to spend that. So once I mix it and just pour it on my fabric, I'm kind of just playing with it to see, you know, what I like. And I did have to cut off some fabric. Be sure to wrap your mannequin in like plastic bags, because this resin, y'all, can get so messy. And I wanted to do like I wanted my shoulder to like come up a little bit more, but I couldn't, you know, get it to stand. I'm gonna have to practice on that and just figure out different ways that I can get it to like stand up to give it like a more elegant look. So after a couple of hours, I did cut it off. You know, when it was semi-dry, like, it wasn't real hard. Like, I be saying people do this top and it's like hard as a brick. But it wasn't like too hard. Like, it was still bendable. Like, I was able to fold it, but it was like kind of dry. So I just took off the plastic, and I did have a hard time. Like, once you get off the main pieces, you really have to take your time and just pull off the plastic, you know, just like in small areas, just to kind of get it off the way you want to. Most of the plastic off, I'm just using my scissors to like cut off a few extra pieces of like you know, the residue or the leftover stuff from the resin. And then I just grabbed my hole puncher because I wanted to add some gold eyelets to like attach my strings to the back, and it just gave it like a more elegant look. And I had got this hole puncher, I think, from Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago, but it was so easy to like press the holes in, y'all. Like, they pop right in. That's why I say it's best to do this like within, I would say, maybe 5 hours, so that way it's not too hard and you can get your holes pushed in, and, you know, it can look a lot more professional. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please, cool down, simmer, cool down, love, cool down, simmer, cool now, please, cool now, simmer, cool down, love, cool down, cool down. For my strings, y'all, I made these myself, and I just got like some fabric again from Hobby Lobby because, like I say, I'm just practicing, and I just sewed it down and, you know, made it to like be a little bit more thick. And the good thing about this, like, you can change the color. Like, you can do like a neon green, lime green, a bright orange, a different color, gold, black. Like, you can change your strings. So whatever you guys feel like, you know, look better to you, or whatever look you're going for, I would suggest you guys do that. But since I have seen these tops around so much, I wanted mine to be kind of different. So I added this orange, you know, string to, like, so you can leave it hanging, or you can just have them all up in the back. So I just thought it was different, you know, and I'm thinking about like doing a skirt that's the same kind of orange, or do like some denim, you know, just something unique that I haven't seen before. So definitely keep that in mind, y'all, because I have been seeing this top around. So you will want to make yours as unique and different as possible.
I won't waste no time, I'll be proceeding quick. The way you're moving lately got me feeling sick. Like say you forgot to know you're dealing with. Man, I feel great when I'm at work non-stop. You know good more than I when I come back. Sometimes good yeah come out from that. If me walk and leave ya, me not come back.
You're falling, but you don't wanna fall too hard. You're falling, but you don't wanna fall